Hello.
Dude, I just had the craziest dream. Like, me, you, and Craig, we all showed up to the school, right, for homecoming, and we were just alone. No one was there. We had suits on and whatnot. We looked like idiots, dude.
Dude, no way. I had the same dream.
You had the same dream? No way! That's so tight. Wait, hold on. I'm getting a call from Craig. Hold on one sec. Yeah.
Dude, Steven, I just had the craziest dream where we didn't have dates to homecoming, dude.
Yeah, I know. Me and Will had the same dream. And he was just talking about it with me before you rudely interrupted me.
Okay, I'm sorry, dude.
It's okay. Just don't let it happen again, okay? Alright, let me just, let me talk to Will, because we gotta figure this out.
Okay.
Click button. Yeah, that was Craig.
Yeah.
So we need to figure this out, because this is like an eerie sign of some kind, so...
Yeah, we'll figure it out tomorrow.
Okay, bye. Love you.
Alright. Bye.
Alright guys, we need to find dates at homecoming.
Well, dude, I know him. I'm asking Katie.
Dude, why would you ask Katie? She's my ex-girlfriend, Steven. That's awkward.
Dude, well, you messed up, so I'm gonna ask her.
Dude, at least I had a girlfriend. You haven't had one since the 5th grade.
What are you laughing at, Will? One word. Haley.
Alright, well, what are we gonna do?
I think I have an idea.
Hey, you want to go to homecoming with me?
Absolutely not.
You want to go to the homecoming with me?
No.
So, you want to go to the dance with me?
Yeah.
Alright guys, let's just go inside and see if there's any in there. Alright.
No. 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 No!
No wonder they said no. God, that was not as easy as I thought it was going to be.
How did they all reject us?
Guys, if you treat a girl like dirt, she'll stick to you like mud.
That is so stupid, Greg. That is stupid.
Dude, I get girls all the time.
You don't get girls all the time, Greg! You're sitting there eating chips like a pig!
No more! No! Dude, you can't have any more chips.
Dude, why?
Guys! Will you just relax?
I say we just go talk to some teachers.
Hey, I heard you guys got rejected by all the Chatfield girls.
Yeah.
I didn't think that was possible. So, Shiley.
Let's go see Schwartz.
Alright.
Okay.
My hair doesn't...
Schwartz, we
need homecoming dates.
Let's consult the Book of Bill.
Oh, the bard. Works every time.
Did my heart love till now? Forswear its sight, for I never saw true beauty till this night.
Oh, what fools these mortals be. Huh. God, the Shakespeare thing did not make sense. Let's go talk to Miss Simtek.
Simtek.
Hello, boys.
Miss Simtek.
We need homecoming dates.
You can just womb with your stoichiometry.
That's stupid.
That's not stupid!
Stop. We're never gonna get any dates.
We gotta find someone that's pathetic as we are.
Tonelli.
How can I help you guys?
We can't find any dates, Tonelli.
Well, who have you talked to?
Well, we talked to Schwartz.
And Miss Simtak.
Schwartz and Rodak? They don't know anything.
Well, what should we do, Tonelli?
Guys, you're going about this the wrong way. Don't follow your heart, follow your stomach.
Qdoba.
Qdoba.
Hey, ladies!
Would you ladies want to go to homecoming with us three?
No way, I don't want to go with Peter Pan.
I was with Robin Hood.
I don't want to go with someone who has 4 eyes and a brace face. And you're just an idiot.
Dude, getting rejected stinks big time.
I know.
Ow.
Oh my god, you guys. We've spent all this time arguing about getting dates. We didn't see what was right in front of us.
Yeah. Each other.
Yeah, we're total bros.
Oh!
We are late to the assembly, guys. Oh, we gotta go.
Friendship is the greatest thing that a man can have. Bros always come first, and the ladies come last. No matter what happens, you will always stay friends. No matter what happens with the ladies, you will be bros till the end. Oh, bros, oh, bros. No matter what happens, you will be friends. Bros, oh, bros, till the end.
Good morning, Columbine! Guys, the assembly is tomorrow.
Oh, Craig.
My bad.
It's alright, Craig. We're bros.
So what are we gonna do?
Let's just stay here until the assembly.